Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to enable smooth scrolling in Microsoft Edge. If you have ever noticed choppy or laggy scrolling, enabling smooth scrolling can improve your experience. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer, click the Edge icon or search for it in the Start menu. Once Edge is open, go to the address bar and type edge/flags, then press Enter. Now you will see the experiments page with various advanced settings for Edge. In the search box at the top, type smooth scrolling. You should see a setting called smooth scrolling appear in the list. Next to smooth scrolling, click the drop-down menu and select Enabled. Once you have done that, restart the browser for the changes to take effect. Click the Restart button at the bottom, then try scrolling through a web page. You should notice that scrolling is now much smoother and more fluid. This makes browsing more comfortable, especially for long articles or social media. If you don't see the smooth scrolling option, your Edge version may not support it yet. Make sure your Edge browser is up to date by going to Settings about Microsoft Edge. If an update is available, Edge will download and install it automatically. If you experience issues after enabling it, you can always revert the setting. Go to Edge/flags, search for smooth scrolling, and set it back to default or disabled. This will return Edge to its original scrolling behavior. That's it. You have successfully enabled smooth scrolling in Microsoft Edge. Now you can enjoy a better browsing experience with smoother scrolling. Like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.